What? We got another package? Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Primary Arms. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. Primary Arms. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And let's see how we get this open. Not sure which is the top side of the box, so we'll just go ahead and slice through this reinforced tape. Okay, we're in. Let's see. Have some paper packing item, manifest labels, and some cards. Okay, I think that's it. So let's take a look at these cards real quick. These are always interesting. We have a thank you for your order with some stock photography on there and a message from the company, Marshall Lerner. Okay, and then this one is from Strike Industries. Let's see, turn off some of this glare here. And then some item descriptions, very nice. So, some stuff from Primary Arms, and then the item we had ordered. Just double check against the manifest here. Okay, so this is an SFCT 556 1/2 by 28. So this is a SUREFIRE flash hider and Closed Tine, thus the CT and the model numbers. So we can go here, take a look at this. There's also a suppressor adapter. We got the icon here, and mount for SOCOM 5.56 suppressors. Fits M4, M16 AR variants. Here we can see some other item usage icons. See if we can go ahead and get this open real quick and just take a quick look-see. See what's included. Already I can see stuff dropping out. So you got the sponge padding items, some looks like Loctite material, and then we got some shim packages here, and installation instructions with the clock diagrams for the shim usage. And you can see it is a flash hider style, flat bottom, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vent openings. There's the barrel end, there's the business end, and here's the mount center point. So just a quick look at the SUREFIRE SFCT 556 1/2 by 28 model. Comes with shims, Loctite instructions, the item itself. And we had also gotten from Primary Arms, the source, a couple of cards as well. So this has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos. We also do a series of book review, media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.